All right, class. Today we are going to learn how to draw an animal. First, let me teach you about the body proportions of an animal.
Teacher, can I paint this tiger pink?
Well, it's up to you. You can color your painting in different colors, but remember to make it harmonious.
Yes, teacher.
All right, after finishing painting, please cut your paper into a smaller size. Then use the glue to stick your result on the wall, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Don't forget to wash your hands before entering the next class.
Yes, teacher.
All right, it's recess time. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher. Do you want to go to the canteen with me?
Sure. Do you know what time the break time ends?
Well, we can take a rest in about 15 minutes.
Does your mom usually make lunch for you? Or do you often buy at the canteen?
Let's say both. When my mom has more free time, she will make for me. Or else I have to buy it myself. Luckily, the food here is delicious.
Yeah, I agree. What do you think I should eat for today?
I've heard that burgers here is the best seller.
Great, I'll choose a burger then.
Me too. And should we buy any drinks?
I think coffee and orange juice can boost our energy. I'll go with orange juice.
I'll choose coffee. I just drank orange juice yesterday. I'll buy some snacks as well.
Can you share with me?
Of course.
All right, it's time to pack away your books. Anyone who is assigned to tidy up the class today, please finish your task before going home. Now, goodbye, class. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. What should we do first, Sarah?
All right, you clean the board and I will clean the floor. Is that okay?
Okay.
Will you help me arrange the desks in our class?
Sure, let's do it together.
We finished!
Yay! Let's go home now. You guys can have free time now. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
I want to go to the toilet. Now I have to practice singing with my club. Sorry, I'm late. That's okay. Everyone's just started. We have to work together to win the music competition next weekend. All right, let's practice. Well done, you guys. We've just tried our best. I believe we can win this competition. Fighting! Quiet, please. We are here today for your biology report about different creatures that appear in our school garden. Now, I want you to gather in a group of 3 people. You guys should use teamwork in order to work on your report. Remember that this report is used for 3 people. Do not separate it into 3 reports, okay?
All right, we should delegate each task specifically.
Yeah, I think I can do the photographing. I'm really fond of pictures and about trees and animals.
That's great. How about note-taking and presenting the report in front of the class? I think I'm really good at public speaking. Let me handle the presentation task. All right, I will write the report then.
Let's get started. Wow, look at this creature. Whenever I touch it, it's shy.
Yeah, we called it the shame plant, aka Mimosa Paduca. So interesting. Hey, guys, I've just collected different colors of leaves from trees here. We have green, red, yellow, and brown. Should we write in our report about the timeline of a leaf based on these leaves?
Wow, that's a great idea.
Totally agree.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Sit down, please. Today, we are going to learn about marine life. Open your book to page 56, please. Allison, can you stand up and read out loud for the class and me, page 56, please?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you. Sit down, please. You guys have listened to Allison's reading about the life of the fish. Now look at the questions on the next page and answer the questions on the top of the page. Please write your own answers next to the questions. I'll give you 5 minutes to prepare. Okay, time's up. Now, can anyone tell me how the fish breathe under the water?
They breathe with their gills, teacher.
Very good. But next time, please put your hand up if you want to give an answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, does anyone have any questions about the lesson today?
Me.
All right, any questions, Tom?
Can fish smell, teacher?
Yes, Tom. A fish's nose is made up of 2 openings on the head. I will show you guys the body of a fish in the next lesson.
Wow, I'm so excited.
Quiet. Please don't talk in the middle of class. Remember to show your respect for every teacher at school, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, we will have a small exercise to test your knowledge about this lesson. Let's work in pairs and discuss the marine environment in your area. I'll give you guys 10 minutes. Start now. All right, so that is your homework today, okay? Discuss with the person next to you and give me the answers on Wednesday.
Goodbye, teacher. Thank you. See you later.
Goodbye, class.
It's time you worked on the computer, children. Please turn on your computer screen. Now, I want you guys to work in a group of 4 people. Let's create a presentation on the program called Google Slides. Before that, you guys can create a group on Messenger to communicate with each other through messages. Cooperate with the partners of your team to discover the function of the Google Slides and try to make a demo presentation. What's wrong?
I don't know where to start.
All right, you can go to the website called YouTube and type Google Slides for Beginners for more information.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Line up, children. Today, we are going to discover yoga exercises for the beginners. Now, I need 4 boys to prepare the mats for me. Sit on the mats, please. Now sit in a big circle, and each of you do a different yoga pose. Well done! Although some of you are still weak overall, you guys have tried your best.